I'm Akira, and this is
Ayu. Welcome to Time for Kids.
Today we're gonna learn eating time in Tagalog.
Let's start.
Let's eat. Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo.
Yum, 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 yum.
Is it delicious?
Yes.
Or masarap ba?
Yes.
Delicious or masarap? Masarap. Let's drink or inom tayo. Inom tayo. So what do we eat? Food or pagkain? Pagkain. In the morning, we have breakfast or almusal. Almusal.
Musal.
Around noon, we have lunch or tanghalian. Tanghalian.
Tanghalian.
And then we have dinner or hapunan. Hapunan.
Hapunan.
We use a plate or plato. Plato. This is a spoon or kutsara. Kutsara.
Kutsara.
This is a fork or tinidor. Tinidor. For drinks, we have a glass or baso. Baso. We usually drink water or tubig. Tubig. Filipino kids love rice or kanin. Kanin. Say kanin.
Kanin.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yummy! Kanin is usually eaten with dishes like sinigang, adobo, and lumpia, which are all ulam. Ulam. Say ulam.
Ulam.
Food can be sweet or matamis. Matamis. It can also be sour like sinigang. Sour or maasim. Maasim. It can also be bitter like ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
Bitter or mapait. Mapait. It can also be spicy like hot sauce. Spicy or maanghang. Maanghang. We Filipinos like salty like patis. Salty or maalat. Maalat. Or it can also be tasteless or matabang. Matabang. And when you're done eating, you can say, I'm full. Or busog na ako. Busog na ako. So those are the basic eating time words in Tagalog. Okay, that's all for today. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Subscribe. Bye.
and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Paalam!
One of the